Hi all, welcome to the welding MCQ series. In today's video, we will be discussing 10 questions from the topic types of welding. First question, which of the following is not a type of arc welding? The options are plasma, electroslag, submerged, air acetylene. The answer is option D, air acetylene. It is a gas welding process, air acetylene welding, and all the other three are arc welding process. Second question, which of the following is not a type of resistance welding? Options: seam, projection, electroslag, and spot welding. The correct answer is electroslag welding. Among the following, seam, projection, and spot are few of the types of resistance welding. Electroslag is one of the forms of gas welding process. Next question. What is the cross-sectional shape of a thermoplastic welding rod? So most of us have seen the welding rod. It is circular in cross-section. But in our option, the circular option is not there. They have given the option triangular, hexagonal, square, and pentagonal. A welding rod or a thermoplastic welding rod. A welding rod or a thermoplastic welding rod is used mainly in plastic welding. The rod should be very porous or it may catch void. This rod has cross-sectional shape triangle or circular. So in our option, we can choose the first option, triangular. Which of the following is not a type of related process? That is, among the four options given, three of them are related and one is odd. So we have to select the odd one out. The options: soldering, percussion, bracing, and hard pressing. The correct answer is percussion. It's a welding process and all the other three are related. Soldering, bracing, and hard pressing are related process. Sixth one, laser is classified under newer beam, that is newer welding technology. So laser welding is treated as a newer welding technology. So our option is true. And along with laser, electron beam welding is also considered as a newer welding technique. So next question, which of the following is not a type of solid state welding? Options: projection, ultrasonic, friction, and diffusion. Among the following, ultrasonic, friction, and diffusion are the solid state welding. Among the following, ultrasonic, friction, and diffusion are the solid state welding. So the odd one is a projection welding, is a not a solid state welding. What is the density of the plastic used in speed tip welding? It's a very rare question. The plastic which is used in the process of a speed tip welding is polypropylene or polypropene. It is classified under thermoplastic material. The density of the polypropylene is 946 kg per meter cube. The density of the polypropylene is 946 kg per meter cube. Also, you have to note it will start melting at the temperature of 130 degrees Celsius. It will start melting at the temperature of 130 degrees. So our option is option C. Which of the following could be considered as a related process? Which of the following could be considered as a related process? That means Among the four options, three of them are related and we have to select the odd one out. So they have given the option as explosive, oxyhydrogen welding, oxy-linked electron beam welding. The correct answer is option C. All the other three processes are welding process and the option C is a cutting process. The last question, a liquid phase has to be used in cold welding. So, option A true, option B false. In cold welding, we will not be using the liquid phase. It is hot welding that a liquid or a molten state is used for the joining of two pieces of metal. But in cold welding, there is no use of liquid phase, that is joining done by using heat only. So the option is false. The liquid phase has to be used in cold welding. The option is false. So that is our 10 questions from the types of welding process. We will be back with another video from the welding MCQ. Thank you.